Assalamu alaikum guys, with a brand new video. In this video we will discuss that how temperature sensors will control the two LEDs, and I am also controlling these LEDs with the digital sensors. You can say switches that we can control them externally also. So let me start with the simulations. That what will happens here is we have the temperature sensors, and in Tinkercad so we can control the level of the temperatures. As we increase the level of temperatures, you can see one LED is blinking. I think so this switch is not on now. Both of these LEDs are light up. Okay, and if I externally control these LEDs, we can make these LEDs stop also at low level, and if we click on the buttons and make it high, then the both LEDs will be light up. These are the two resistors of 220 ohm we are using. I am using here the two digital pins. One LED is connected with the digital 4 pins and the other with the digital 3 pin, and here I have connected with the 5 volt and ground, and here is controlling the LDR sensor, sorry, temperature sensor with the analog pin. Okay, now if we variate these temperatures, we can see that at a specific temperature that both LED here, that both LEDs are off now. One is light up and the others are at low levels. Why? Because in the code I have set the temperatures of you can say 25 or 30 degree, or 30 or 40 degree. That's at 30 degree is Celsius, that one LED will light up, and if temperatures will be increase the threshold value of the baseline temperature, so 30 degree, then it will be both LEDs will be light up. If you have any queries, any questions relevant to this project, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.